high voltage switch compartment, and I can close that switch, and now the transformer is energized, and I can go back to the previous screen and I can start then to initiate closing certain circuit breakers. So depending on which ones I wish to choose, I can operate them. And once we hit that operation button, the open and close, the breaker automatically racks in or racks out so that all the current carrying contacts are disengaged off of the stationary contacts, so there's zero incident energy on the breaker when you apply your safety padlock. We do have a system that if we want to operate in certain levels of protection, notice the small padlock on the open, so we actually have to log in. So depending on who your operators are, who your electricians are, there's different levels that you have access. A standard operator can no longer operate the ground fault detection system or reset. Only an electrician, qualified, skilled tradesperson to do that. So again, if we go back to home and we want to do something on a ground fault, in order to test the ground fault, we can select which unit we want to do a test on. I know the top one is closed at the moment, so now if I want to hit push to test, you notice that the ground fault relay now indicates that it's open. And if I attempted to close that now, there's a warning saying that it's been tripped, to call an electrician to come in and take care of the ground fault. So as a standard operator, I no longer have the ability to operate that device. Okay. In order to reset that, I can go back into that device as an administrator and change that. So if I was the operator now, I can no longer do anything. If I go to the utilities and I log in as the administrator, and I need to reset that ground fault, I now have the ability to reset that. And notice the display is now missing. Well, almost. Nope, should I hit close? Okay. And then we can exit out of there. So this front end can actually have any kind of graphical display you want that's comfortable for your application at your particular mine, but fully functional from the end of the skid outside of the arc flash boundary. Okay. So what I'd like to do is really focus in on the movement. Okay.